Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for class 2 subject science. Before we continue with our video, what are the instructions that you have to follow? Just please recall all the instructions quickly and just think about it whether you are following all the instructions or not. Number 1, you have to wash your hands constantly throughout the day, especially before and after eating, and when you go out and when you come back. See that you keep cleanliness in your surroundings. That is the second most important point that I told you. You have to keep your surroundings neat and clean. Number 3, you have to take bath regularly and keep your body neat and clean. Also see that point number 4 I had told you to obey your parents. I hope you are following all the instructions. The thought for today: education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. So education is something that will help you to fight against all the difficulties of the world. If you are educated, then you will never lag behind. Education will give the problem solution. If you are in a problem and you are stuck in it, then your education will help you to come out of that problem. There is no such problem in the world which does not have the solution, but for that a person has to be educated. Please keep watching the videos every day. Topics for today: lesson number 8, things around us. So today we shall start with lesson number 8, things around us, the new chapter of your science textbook. Reading and understanding the difficult words. So as we read the lesson, today we'll just read the lesson at a glance and we will also see some difficult words. So be prepared with your notebook. Your rough book should be open, your pencil should be sharpened, and you must have an eraser beside you. So the difficult words that we shall learn in today's video, you have to note them down. Then when I explain the lesson, I will explain the meanings of those difficult words. And we will also solve some interesting exercises. So are you ready? Then let's begin. First of all, you have to give the name of the lesson. Give the heading, the name of the lesson, things around us. Things around us. So every day you get up in the morning, then before you sleep at night, so many things you see around you, don't you? You see table, chair, then what else do you see? You see the different things like the people in the house, we can see the birds flying outside, you can see dogs, other animals, so many different things we see every day. So that things are called the things around us, and we shall study about all those things that we see around us every day. And why do we have to study all these kind of things? So there are different kinds of things around us. Some are living and some are non-living things, right? So let us study about it. So first exercise we will solve. It is a fun exercise and I want you to write the answer. Look at the pictures given below and tick the correct answers. So, 2 pictures are given in each slide and we have to mark the correct answer. You have to select the correct image and write the answer, whether it is A or B. Number 1. Which of the 2 can eat food? See, 2 images are given over here. One is the cat, the other one is the notebook. The question asked is which can eat the food from these 2? Who can eat the food? Like you eat your food every day, breakfast, lunch, dinner. So from these 2, who will eat? Who has the mouth? Who can eat the food? Yes, you know the answer. The answer is cat. So let us mark the answer. What is the correct answer? Answer is cat. So we shall mark over there because cat can eat, but notebook, can it eat? Does it live? No, it is non-living, right? But cat lives, it has life, so it is living, it eats food. Then, which of the two can breathe air? Who can breathe in and breathe out like we all do? Every second we breathe in, we breathe out, we take in oxygen, we throw out carbon dioxide, that is breathe in, breathe out. So the two images are given. One you can see flower, image A, and image B you can see stone. So can stone breathe? Does it have life? No, it cannot. But flower can breathe because it lives, it is living, right? So who can breathe? So from this two, the correct one is image A, flower. A flower can breathe in, whereas a stone cannot breathe in. Then number 3. Which of the two can move on its own? Who has the legs? Who can walk? Here is the image of a dog. Here is the image of a pillow. We use pillow to keep under our head when we sleep at night, right? So, can it move on its own? Does it have legs? Will it move from one place to another without you moving it? No, it will stay at its place unless you move it. But this is a dog, and we know that the dogs, they move on the road, right? They move because they have 4 legs. They have 2 legs more than us. They can move even quicker, even faster than human beings. So, dog, it can move on its own, but pillow cannot. So, we will tick mark image A. That is first one, dog. It has the legs, so it can move on its own. Then we have 2 more images, and the question asked over here is, which of these two can grow bigger? What can grow bigger? So image A, it is given, it is a girl over here, and image B, you can see there are 4 balls. Different color balls are there, right? So the question is, which of the two can grow bigger? Can this girl grow bigger, or can these balls grow bigger? Which one can grow bigger? Of course, these balls cannot grow bigger because they don't have life. But this girl, she is living. She has life. So she will grow bigger with her age. So our answer over here is first one, that is girl, image A. Because these balls cannot grow, they don't have life, whereas this girl can grow bigger with her age. So these are examples of the different things that we see around us, and the things that can eat food, the things that can breathe air, the things that we saw can move on its own, the things that can grow bigger. So why did we solve this exercise? What was the aim? Let's see. Natural things. So let's study about natural things and understand. The things around us are either natural or man-made. Right, as I told you, you see so many things around you. Right from the morning when you get up, what do you take the first thing in your hand? We take the toothbrush, the toothpaste. Do you ever imagine that is it living or non-living? The toothbrush that you use for brushing your teeth, the toothpaste that you use for brushing your teeth, do you ever imagined that is it living thing or non-living thing? So that are all the things that are either natural or man-made. Natural things, things such as air, water, plants, animals, rocks and soil, which are not made by man, are found in nature, are called natural things. So there are some things which human beings cannot make, which we have got from the God as the gift. It is God gift for all of us. Which are those things? See over here: water, plants, animals, rocks, soil, air. Where do we get all these things from? These are natural things. We get these things from the nature. It is the gift of the nature to us. And man cannot make these things, can he? No. So we should always take care of the nature and the natural things that we get from it. So I hope you understood all the natural things, examples. The things which we get from nature are called natural things. Things around us are either natural or man-made. So the things a man can make, that are called man-made things. But these things are natural things. The images, as you can see over here. You can write the examples of these which are given over here. Please write the examples in your notebook. You can write any 2 examples at least. You can write air and water, plants, animals, rocks and soil. Any 2 examples you can write. Then, our clothes too are made of different natural materials such as cotton, silk, wool, or from man-made fibers such as rayon. So, do you ever imagine the clothes that you wear every day? You take bath, you change your clothes every day, right? You may wear a t-shirt or a jeans or a scarf or a dress or whatever you wear. How are these clothes made up of? These clothes are made up of natural materials. What are that natural materials? Cotton. You wear cotton clothes, silk saris are worn, woolen clothes, especially during this season of winter. We wear jackets, sweaters, mufflers that are all woolen. And from man-made fibers such as rayon. So as you can see the images over here of silk, rayon, wool, cotton. These are the materials which we get naturally from the nature. We get wool from sheep, right? We get silk from silkworm. So these are the things which are used for making our clothes. So you just imagine how important the nature is for us. We get clothes from the nature. And what else? We get all these things from the nature. So we should always take care of the nature. Then the natural things, examples are given. Let us read the examples and write each and every example. Give the numbers 1, 2, 3 like that. Give the numbers and write all the 6 examples in your book. So number 1. First of all, you will give the heading of natural things in bold alphabets as given. Underline it. Write with neat and clean handwriting, because after watching the video I will tell you to write down the names of these 6 natural things in homework 3 times. So write it 1 time along with the video and leave some space, leave 2 columns or leave that page so you can write it number 2 and number 2nd and number 3rd time in your notebook after watching the video, but write down 1 time with me. All the living things are natural things. You know that? The living things are natural. What are the things? Number 1. The first and the most important thing. The first and the most important living beings are human beings. Means all of us. You, me, and all the people around you, your family and the whole world. You see new people, new faces every day. All the human beings on the earth, they are natural things. See, number 1, write down HUMAN, human, BEINGS, human beings are natural. Write down HUMAN, BEINGS, human beings, number 1. Then number 2 you will write animals, ANIMALS. Animals are also natural, just like all of us. Animals are also natural. Number 3, birds, birds. birds, birds. Birds fly high in the sky. Birds also breathe in. They also breathe in air. Birds are also living. They also need food like us. They also have their children. Number 4, insects. insects, insects. You can see butterfly, beetles are there, mosquitoes, ants. All these are livings. These are all the insects that we see around us. So the spelling insects, insects. Number 4, fish, fish. fish, fish. Fish you can see swimming in water. You might have seen aquarium. Fish swims inside the water. Even fish has life. Fish is living. Then number 6, plants, plants. plants, plants. So all the plants, flowers, trees, all the things are included in plants. Even plants are living. So all the 6 examples you have to write down one time and twice you have to write, means 2 times after watching the video. These 6 examples are the examples of living things or natural things. And all the living things are natural things, like all these 6 examples we saw just now. Then, did you know that some of the non-living things are natural things? Some of the non-living things are there, that things are also natural, means it is God gifted. Which are those things which are not living but still they are natural things? So here you will make a new list. You will write the heading non-living things which are natural things. See the first one, the sun and the clouds. Over here you can see the clouds and the sun. So the sun and the clouds, they are non-living but still they are called natural things. Why so? Because it is given by the nature. We get sun and clouds, we see it every day in the sky, and it is natural. Human beings cannot make these things, that is natural. Number 2, the moon and the stars. Even we see moon and the stars every day at night in the sky. So the moon and the stars are natural things, though they are non-living but that are natural things. Number 3, mountains, mountains. mountains, mountains. So mountains are also non-living but they are natural things. There are so many mountains on earth and all are a gift to us from nature. Then number 4 we have waterfall, waterfall. You might have seen the water falling down, that is waterfall. So waterfall is also natural and it is non-living but still included in the category of natural things as it is God gift or natural. Then number 5 we have river, river, river. So river is also contained of water, and water as we get naturally, there is no role of human beings in getting water. So water is a natural or God gift to us, and river is also included in natural things. Then number 6, rainbow. What is it? Rainbow. You might have seen rainbow in monsoon season, haven't you? So there are 7 colors in the rainbow as they say, and rainbow is also natural. It comes up naturally in the monsoon season sometimes, so that you can see the beautiful sky full of colors. So rainbow is also natural. So these are the 6 examples of non-living things, but still they are natural things. Previously we saw the examples of all the living things that are natural things, but these are the examples of non-living things and they are natural things. Next thing we are learning is man-made things. What are man-made things? Let us read and understand what are man-made things. Things such as books, tables, toys, clocks, which are made by humans and are not found in nature, are called man-made things. So what did you understand by this? That the things which are made by us, the things which are made by man are called man-made things. So you see so many man-made things around you every day, right? Books, you can see so many books around you. The table you can see in your house, there might be a table. Toys are there. The clock which is on the wall, or the clock which you can see on the wall of your house. You can see the watch you wear on your hand. So these things are called man-made things because these things are made by humans. They are not found in nature. We don't get these things naturally, but we make it, means humans make these things, and so they are called man-made things. Here you have to write the examples of all the things that are given: books, tables, toys, clocks. Books, tables, toys and clocks. These are all man-made. Some more examples. Write all the 6 examples in the same category of man-made things. Number 1, House, house. House, house. So we live in a house. Who makes the house? Do we get it from nature? No. Human beings make the house. Architect is there, all the laborers are there. They together make a house for us. So house is man-made. So many men, they make a house. Then how do we get air? We get air through fan. F-A-N, fan. There is a fan in our house. We all have, right? So the fan is man-made. Who had made this fan? A human being had made the fan. So it is man-made. You sit on a chair in your house. So did you think that the chair is man-made or is it natural? It is man-made. We do not get it naturally. Human beings have made this chair. So it is man-made thing, made by a man. Fourth one, computer, a very important device. In today's world, it is very impossible to just continue a day without this device, computer. It stores so much of data in it. You can see movies, you can play games, you can just type, you can see pictures, photos, you can do a lot of work on computer. You can also talk to people sitting in far away in a different country. So computer is a man-made device, it is a man-made machine, and it is not obtained naturally. We have made it, a human being has made it. Then we have bag, your school bag, right? See the Mickey Mouse. So the school bag is also man-made. You carry books in your bag, you go to school, right? You can carry clothes in the school bag. So many things you can put. You can also put water bottle inside it, pencil box and so many other things. So a school bag is used for storing things, and that is also made by a man. So it is man-made. Number 6, and very important for our everyday use, clothes. You wear clothes every day. Clothes are man-made. Previous people, many years back, those who did not have clothes, they wore the clothes made by the branches of the trees or the plants, the leaves. They covered their body with the leaves and branches. So nowadays we have so many varieties of clothes. And where do we get clothes from? We get clothes made by human beings, so it is man-made. Clothes are made by human beings, so clothes are called man-made. So now I think the concept of natural and man-made is clear. You understood what are man-made things. You got a few examples of man-made things, and you can think about so many different man-made things around you. As I said, toothbrush, toothpaste, the soap, and many more things that you use every day are all man-made. Now we have a short exercise for today. Let's remember exercise. What do we do in this exercise? We have to write whether the things are natural or man-made. You have to identify each of these 5. Let us see that the things are natural or man-made. Number 1, AIR, air. AIR, air. Now the things like air, water, plants are not made by man. They are found in the nature. So they are natural things, right? So we'll write the answer over here. You too have to write the answer along with me. It is natural. 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 You can see the spelling from here. Air is natural thing. Number 2. INSECTS. Insects. Insects are there like beetles, earthworm, ants, mosquitoes. There are so many insects who live on earth. So are these insects natural or are they man-made? So the insects are also natural. They are not man-made, but they are natural. So answer number 2 is also natural. Please write the answer along with me. Natural thing, that is insects. Number 3, SPOON, spoon. You eat with spoon, right? You take spoon every day when you want to eat your sabji or when you want to eat your dal. You need your spoon. So, the spoon that you have, is it man-made or is it natural? It is man-made. Man has made spoon. We don't get it naturally. So here the answer is man-made because it is made by man. Next, number 4, sand. SAND, sand. You play in the sand, right? Don't you? You have the sand ground in the school also. So is that sand natural or is it man-made? The sand is natural. So here we write natural. Number 5, CLOCK, clock. As I said, the clock which is there on the wall of the house. So is the clock natural or is it man-made? Clock is made by the man. We have made the clock. We have not got it naturally from the nature. We have made the clock. We have set the time of 24 hours of a day. So clock is man-made. Here is answer number 5, man-made. Clock, man-made. Air is natural. We breathe in, we breathe out. It is natural. Insects that you see around you like beetles and many other insects, they are natural. Spoon which you use while eating, that is man-made. Sand, that is natural. And clock which helps you to see the time, that is man-made. So that was the exercise which we solved for today. All the things that we have seen in today's video, let us have a glance at all those things. What did we see? Lesson number 8, things around us. We had just identified the things which are natural, the things which are natural and which are man-made. We saw the examples: air, water, plants, animals. Then we saw many examples like cotton, silk, wool. Then some examples of natural things and some more examples of non-living things which are natural things. Then we saw some examples of man-made things, then some images of those, and after that finally we solved the exercise based on the differentiation of natural and man-made things. So this is your homework. Please write "Let's remember" exercise one time in your rough book, and take care of yourselves. Do not go outside unnecessarily. Complete your book, complete your homework in the given time. Thank you. Have a nice day.